guys, what's going on? I'm Ivy Anderson. This is my Luminess Air review. I am excited that you are here on my channel today. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and like this video. Leave me a comment and I will make sure to get back to you. So today I'm going, like I said, to be reviewing the Luminess Air makeup airbrush kit, and so I'm just going to show you quickly what I got in mine. And so I got this cool system here with the airbrush, and you can see it lights up and turns on, and it's got the spill proof cap, which is awesome. So you put your makeup into here, and then this is how you pull back and put your makeup on. I just did a very light application in a Facebook Live, and I did not put on any eyeshadow. Well, I mean, did not put on any eyeshadow or eyeliner or mascara. I did not do my brows yet. I just did a quick application of foundation and blush. And so as you can see, the foundations are like this. So they're about 16 milliliters, so about a little over half an ounce, and you get 2 of those, so that is awesome. You get a lighter shade and a darker shade. And then we have the illuminator, which I threw on my cheekbones and through the middle here, and I also used a little bit on my eyes. And we also have here the blush, so I did just a real soft application of the blush, and those are what I airbrush. Now you can purchase all kinds of stuff to airbrush on, eyebrows, eyeshadows, you name it. Contouring, you can do that with this, or we have contour palettes. There's just so much really cool stuff with this. It also came with a lip color and some eyeshadows, so those are really cool. A few fun facts about the Luminous Air airbrush system is it's easy to use. So if you're a mom like me or a busy working woman, it is fast and simple, and also very effective. It's water resistant, designed for all skin types. It minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, achieves the most accurate skin color match, easily blends the appearance of skin blemishes, and eliminates the uses of sponges or brushes, and it is a more hypoallergenic application. And did I mention that it is a huge time saver? Huge time saver. So I will be doing more videos, but this is just a quick rundown of how much I absolutely love my airbrush kit from Luminess, and it is awesome and easy and fun, and I finally am enjoying doing my makeup again, especially with having a new baby. It's just really easy to do. And so don't forget to subscribe and like, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.